In the grand scheme of existence, a delicate dance of harmony unfolds. The sun rises, rivers flow, and trees sway to an unseen rhythm, a natural symphony that has played since time immemorial. Yet, in our modern world, this symphony often feels drowned out by the cacophony of city streets, the relentless march of progress, and the hum of technology. Consider the tale of Ravi, a man caught in the whirlwind of this modern chaos. His life, like many of ours, was a jumble of stress and imbalance. His mind was cluttered, his body weary, and his spirit dulled. Then Ravi discovered Vastu Shastra, an ancient Indian science of architecture and space, a philosophy that aligns the natural energies of the earth and cosmos with our living spaces. He began to implement its principles, reshaping his home, his workspace, and in turn, his life. Ravi replaced the man-made materials in his home with natural alternatives, disconnected from the constant bombardment of Wi-Fi signals and electricity. He embraced the power of Earth's natural materials, imbued with their own healing energies, and placed them in his living space according to Vastu principles. The result? Ravi felt a shift, a rebalance of his energies. The stress began to peel away, his mind cleared, and his body felt rejuvenated. Ravi was harnessing the science of Vastu Shastra, allowing the harmony of nature to seep back into his life. The same principles that aided Ravi are waiting to help you. Think of it as a form of life insurance, a way to ensure the quality and vitality of your existence. Vastu Shastra isn't about quick fixes or cheap solutions. It's about investing in a lifetime of balance and well-being. In a world where we are increasingly disconnected from the natural order of things, Vastu Shastra offers a way back. It's about tuning our lives to the rhythm of nature, about creating spaces that resonate with the energy of the earth and the cosmos. Vastu Shastra is more than just architecture. It's a way of life, a path to healing and balance. It's about understanding that every element, every direction, and every space has a purpose and an energy. When we align these energies, we align ourselves with the universe. So consider this. If the human body were shuffled, could it function as it should? The same applies to our living spaces. They need structure, balance, and harmony to function optimally. As our world becomes more chaotic, the wisdom of Vastu Shastra grows more relevant. It's a science born in India, but its principles are universal. Its benefits, global. It's a billion-dollar industry, yet its reach is still limited. It's time to change that. It's time to bring Vastu Shastra into our lives, to allow its principles to guide us towards a balanced, harmonious existence. Because in a world filled with chaos, we could all use a little more harmony. And that, my friends, is the power of Vastu Shastra.